2025 Hyundai Tucson SEL, finished in the sleek and modern Ecotronic gray. This 2025 Hyundai Tucson SEL has only 2,285 miles, making it practically brand new. Equipped with HTrac all-wheel drive, a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, and a smooth Shiftronic automatic transmission, it delivers a perfect balance of performance, control, and efficiency, whether you're navigating city streets or heading out for a weekend escape. Step inside the refined gray interior, and you'll be greeted by heated front seats, a large 12.3-inch display audio system, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay for seamless connectivity. Safety comes standard with forward collision assist, and that's just the beginning. This SUV is packed with modern features designed to make every drive more comfortable, connected, and secure. From its bold 18-inch alloy wheels to its advanced technology and spacious, versatile interior, the 2025 Tucson SEL is built to impress. Plus, with the remaining factory warranty, you can drive away with complete peace of mind knowing your investment is protected. Special price, $23,995. Available now at KingStowne Motorcars. Call us 71-379-7330. Visit ktmotorcars.com.